what's up? It's me, Dahlia, and today we'll be making Oreo ice pops. Before I start this video, I want to give a round of applause for we can make the life hacks. And let's start the video. So what you'll need is half a cup of whipped cream. I'll tell you how to make the whipped cream in my next video next week. And you'll need Oreos. I will be using 6 Oreos. And 4 ounces of half and half. And you will need molds. But I want to give you a pro tip. If you don't have any molds like I do, but you have a cup and a fork, put the ice cream in it and then stick it. And we will be adding life hacks. And I have this one from my yogurt one that looks too big for 6 Oreos. And this one looks too small. And this one looks too medium. And it has been an astronaut inside. So I will do the life hack at the end of the video. So let's get started. So first you're going to open your Oreo cookies and put them in the blender. And I'll be right back after I do that. Hi guys, I'm back and the cookies aren't done, but I decided to let you see the cookies crumble. So we just I want it a little chunky. And that's perfect. So this is how you should have them. It smells delicious, guys. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put all our ingredients in here. So we're putting our half and half. We're putting our delicious Oreos. Some of it's powder, but it's okay. It's my first time. Okay, then you're gonna just mix it. And let it sit there for a while, and then open your mold. Just put that aside and open all our molds. And then get this, mix it a little more. It should be like this. It should have some chunks of it. And then when you do it, you're just gonna like this. It doesn't matter if you make a little mess. And you don't want it to overflow that much. You don't want it to overflow. And pro tip that if you don't have any molds, you can just get a simple fork and a cup. And stick plastic onto the cup and stick the fork in. And I'll be right back after I put all this stuff into my molds. Oh, are we live? Oh. By the way, before I start the rest of this, pro tip. Lick the bowl clean. Let's get on with the video. So I have 2 cookies for my decorations. That's my plastic. So 1, 2, top is secure for you don't make a big mess. You want to like powder, sort of. For what I'm going to be doing for my decorations, you want to like this powder. So I showed you how my Oreos were done. So we're going to put them in a bowl. And then we're going to get a spoon. We're going to put some and sprinkle them here. One. If you have any leftovers, be sure to eat it. Pro tip. Okay. So we have lots of leftovers, so I'm just gonna like do that. And then let's put the plastic on top of this thing. And be sure not to use a glass cup, pro tip, because it will like make it crystally or something that'll break after you. And then with our knife, we're just gonna poke a little hole for our fork. Oh, okay, more big hole. Big hole, guys, big hole. And that is a life hack. Now, since we did that, I will add the top. That part. That one we didn't even do. And I will freeze it for 4 whole hours. And I'll see you back then. Hi guys, I'm back with my frozen ice pops, and I'm going to try out the life hack one. But for this to work, you need to let it sit on a counter or anywhere you can find, for it can just melt some. Oh, actually got clear. And what I'm going to do is just taste it. I like it. It tastes lots of Oreo, lots of ice cream, and lots of the cream. And the Oreo chunks actually made it better. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next video.